也若澳洲这几冬因为经济，真侪人是连家己都饲袂饱，厝内底动物盘又搁袂当互因去咬着，所以只好家己减食一顿来饲动物盘。也若是做到这落款，又搁经袂落去，就只好把这动物盘送去到收容所。所以是昨仔这个澳洲收容所动物的数量是愈来愈侪。
宠物中途家养家庭的职工将食物准备好，买饲饱一寡古锥的狗仔。所以，上澳洲因为通膨造成物价起，家养家庭也买袂起宠物的饲料，即马这拢是靠关系来。
How many have you got here today?
At the moment, I've got 9 kittens in foster care and 4 puppies, and we've just had another one come in, so I can read it to you. This is how heartbreaking things are. We are in financial hardship and unfortunately cannot support this dog anymore.
毋但饲料、饲宠物的费用，也包括兽医的费用、住疫苗等等。澳洲人伫收入来源固定之下，同时房贷、租金、保险、教育、医疗甲电力的费用拢咧起，因选择毋出门，钱爱开伫应该开的所在，造成经济搁较衰退。厝内底有宠物的人，有一寡爱面临是家己食，也是互宠物食的困难选择。 根据咨询机构食物银行的宠物机构报告显示，有我1/4以3顿食袂饱的家庭选择家己少食一顿，互宠物会当食。去年全澳洲有370万的家庭3顿食袂饱，其中60%的家庭拢有工作。
It's terribly sad that you should have to make a choice. I mean, pets are the best therapy. So for families, to have an animal in their own lives or the children's lives is very valuable. But to have to make a decision between who you're going to feed, it's so sad.
Each year across Australia, we're distributing about 400,000 kilos of pet food to charities and to families who come seeking that sort of food. We could certainly do more. There's a lot of pets out there and families that need this sort of help.
报告佮指出，真侪家庭过不理从这后，只会当选择弃养宠物，造成全澳洲的收容所拢满起来。佮加上真侪饲主因为生活所费提升，无寄出来钱会当为宠物做绝育手术，致使宠物数量增加，造成更较侪人弃养。公司新闻新闻部编译。